how to lose weight and keep it off with the right diet and mindset. Many eating plans that promise to help you lose weight are costly and unsustainable, not backed by scientific evidence, and may actually hurt your health more than help it. Losing weight is not a one-size-fits-all approach. How you go about it will largely depend on your current habits, how much weight you want to lose, and your long-term goals. However, eating right is paramount. It doesn't matter how much you exercise each day, if you're not making conscious decisions about what you're putting in your body, losing weight will be no picnic. For this weight loss guide, we've combined advice from nutritionists, psychologists, and the published scientific database for how to eat right to shed pounds and improve overall health. 1. Cut out processed carbs and sugars. Most importantly, studies and experts agree that to lose weight, you should limit or cut sugar and processed carbs out of your diet. Most processed foods are made up of simple carbs, which you digest quickly. This leaves you full for a shorter period of time and can lead to overeating and weight gain. It also spikes blood sugar levels, which over time can strain arterial walls and hinder the body's ability to control insulin. This can lead to conditions like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. 2. Eat the right carbs, fiber, and resistant starch. Popular diet plans, like the ketogenic diet and Atkins diet, restrict all types of carbs from the simple carbs in cupcakes to the complex carbs in whole grains. However, complex carbs are important because you process them slowly, which can leave you feeling full for longer and stave off hunger pains. They're also proven to help protect against coronary heart disease. Fiber and resistant starch are two types of complex carbs that you should include in your diet. Foods that are a good source of both include peas, lentils, beans, whole grains, and cold pasta. 3. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables are often considered some of the most weight loss-friendly foods you can eat. They're low in calories and high in fiber, which means you can eat a lot, feel full, and not spike your blood sugar levels. Leafy greens, especially, are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals. This can help reduce the risk of nutrient deficiencies, which can be a problem for restrictive diets like the Whole30 diet and the GAPS, gut and psychology syndrome, diet. Here's a nutrient breakdown of what the CDC considers to be some of the most nutritious greens you can eat. 4. Limit saturated fats. Saturated fats are most ubiquitous in processed foods including meats, cheeses, and baked goods. These calorie-dense, low-fiber foods are already something to avoid when trying to lose weight. In order to get an effective weight loss product, click on the link in the description.